हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम टॉपिक जो कवर करेंगे वो है फंक्शन. सो व्हाट इज़ फंक्शन? बिफोर दिस टॉपिक वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड अबाउट द सेट, रिलेशन, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, all the things like that. Now we are going to discuss the topic function. So let me start the definition of the function. तो definition part पढ़ते हैं. Definition क्या होती है function की? Any relation, any relation from set A to B, from set A to B is said to be is said to be function function if all the elements if all the elements of set A is connected is uniquely connected uniquely to elements of set B, elements of set B. Okay, any relation from set A to B is said to be function if all the elements of set A is connected uniquely to elements of set B. So what does it mean? First thing is that ये जो सेट हमने लिए हैं सेट A और B, ये क्या होने चाहिए? हम यहाँ पे मान सकते हैं कि let A and B are two non-empty sets. Non-empty sets मतलब इनके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ होना चाहिए. They can't be empty. So if we are dealing to non-empty sets, so relation from set A to B, like that, I can draw the set like that. I can draw another set like that. So it is set A, it is set B. No, I can make a rule, I can make a relation from A to B if all the element of set A is connected to the element of set B but uniquely connected. Uniquely connected means one element of set A cannot connect with more than one element of set B. So वन टू मैनी मैपिंग नहीं हो सकती यहाँ पर. वन टू मैनी मैपिंग पॉसिबल नहीं है. ये यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट है तो ये वन टू मैनी मैपिंग नहीं कर सकता. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर दैट. ओके, तो ये फंक्शन है. तो इस वाले पार्ट को जो फंक्शन जो सेट ए है इस पार्ट को हम डोमेन बोलेंगे. दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड डोमेन. और इस पार्ट को हम बच्चों को डोमेन बोलेंगे. सो ओके, नाउ द पार्ट when elements of domain is connected to the elements of codomain, so it's not necessarily all the element of codomain will be connected, but it is necessary all the elements of set A will be connected, but it's not necessary all the element of set B will be connected. So the collection of the elements in the set B who are connected with the elements of set A, this collection is called range. This collection is called range. And second thing, like any element x here, any element x here, and when this element x is operate with this function, when this element x is operate with this rule, this is called function, and give some output here. So that output like that, वो जो output होगा वो output होगा fx. वो आउटपुट क्या होगा? fx होगा. सो हियर हम बोल सकते हैं कि fx इज इमेज, fx is image of x. These are some rules. So first point is that fx is image of x. And what about the second point? X is pre-image. X is pre-image of fx. Okay, so what the value as output we are getting fx, that will be the image of the input, image of the x. But if we define x in terms of fx, so what is x in terms of fx? So we can say x is pre-image of fx. Fx is image of x, x is pre-image of x. Okay, these 2 points you have to keep in your mind. Okay, next one, a number of function possible. Suppose I draw this set, and I draw this set. This is a function f, and here elements like x1, x2, and so on, like xm element. So set A contain m elements, and set B contain n elements, y1, y2, and so on, so yn. So I can write this figure, n of A, number of element in A is m, and number of element in set B is n. So how many function possible from set A to B? I am going to write the concept of number of function. number of function number of function मतलब आप कितने पॉसिबल फंक्शन बना सकते हैं. नंबर ऑफ फंक्शंस पॉसिबल फ्रॉम set A to B, equal to. Now what concept we have to use here? Like, see, this element x1, so x1 can be connected with any one of the element of set B. X1 can be connected either with y1 or y2, and so on with yn. So x1 have the how many options? How many options? So x1 have n options. So x1 have n options, and you know that all the elements are independent to connect with the elements of B, because there is no restriction behind. If x1 is connected with y1, so x2 can also be connected with y1, no issue, because more than one element can be connected with a single element, but one element cannot connected with more than one element. Okay, so if x1 has the n options, so x2 has also n options, x3 have also n options. So I can write this, so up to n time, up to m times. So this one will be equal to n raised to the power n. So this is the figure who represent number of function. तो कंसेप्ट क्या होता है नंबर ऑफ फंक्शन का? नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन द कोडोमेन, है ना, एलिमेंट इन द कोडोमेन, कोडोमेन में जितने एलिमेंट होंगे, कोडोमेन, एंड रेज टू द पावर डोमेन में जितने एलिमेंट होंगे. तो ये बात आपको माइंड में रखनी है, कीप इन माइंड. So students, I have defined what is function. Let A be a two non-empty sets. So a function from A to B is a special type of relation in which all the element of set A is connected with the element of set B, but uniquely connection होगा. One element cannot take more than one images. यहाँ का जो ये element है वो यहाँ पर एक ही image देगा. That is a concept of function. Okay, students, I think you all are enjoying the lecture. So this is the definition part of function. Thank you so much.